All right, what's good, everybody? Right now, we're about to check out Dreamcatcher OOTD outfit of the day. Basically, I heard this was slaying people like left and right. Like every time they watch it or listen to it, they just like Dreamcatcher really always been killing it since the beginning. If you ever have seen Dreamcatcher live, it's one of the best experiences every time. I was lucky enough to see them at least 3 times live, and it's been amazing. So if you have a chance to go see Dreamcatcher live, go check them out. Yeah, without further ado, let's switch it up right here. Let's check out Dreamcatcher OOTD MV. Captions on, it's in 4K. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Bop. Oh, they're like graphic design, huh? Hold on, let me drink some tea. Okay, okay, they experts? Whoa. Dreamcatcher. Okay. We entering the. What are we doing? No more questions. Ooh. Hey, hey. Oh, where are they gonna go with this? Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Hey, yo, let's go. Wait, hold up. You caught my attention since day one. So high. I'm sorry. Sometimes I like to sing like I'm in the shower. You know what I mean? As you should, Miss Ma'am. Let's start it.
OOTD, this my fashion. Shut up, no more questions. OOTD, this my fashion.
Hey. They still add that guitar in the background too. I like that. Whoa. Hey yo, that push though. Hey yo. Okay, acting. Let's go. Acting 101. Whew. What I'm about to say. Ooh, whoa. F out of my way. Woo! Hey, hey. Working every day. Oh. Hey. So high. Goddess. Damn, the production in this is crazy too. We always upgrading. Stand Dreamcatcher for clear skin, you know what I'm saying? Look at my skin, my god. Ooh. TD is my fashion. There's a lot of like riding in here. Like in the K-pop. Like there's a lot of like this move, right? Oh my god, Dreamcatcher. God, they look so beautiful. I just had to say it. Like, I'm trying to pay attention to the song itself, but it's just the visuals are just hypnotizing, like they said just now. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. I would love to come and ride. Let's go. Woo! Priceless. Gorgeous. Hey. Spotless. As you should, Miss Ma'am. Oh, what happened to the tripod? Oh, it was a person. That was me, I guess. Me, if I ever met them in real life. Oh. 90 point. We have to hurry. Whoa. Yes. Sorry, that was it. Dreamcatcher. Oh my god. First of all, the outfits, the OOTD. Oh my god. Sorry, I went back to this scene. I love this. I love this edit right here. Wait, what did it say? Do you believe? Do you believe in the power of the crown. Follow the mark of the crown if you believe it. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Dreamcatcher. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Your boy is live on Twitch right now, actually. So come through if you want. We're just doing a little Zepeto stream. If you don't know what Zepeto is, it's a dope social app which you should check out. But anyways, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go check out Dreamcatcher's OOTD. Go support them. Go stream and follow the Discord if you haven't already. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.